Driving is my passion, and the way I handle a car is an expression of my inner feelings.
We don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay.
Long drives help me to learn patience
Let's take our time. Everybody
and
needs
develop
a break
flexibility.
sometimes.
I learn to focus, concentrate, and above all, enjoying the beautiful sightseeing.
I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sunray,
Sometimes we get so beautiful experience of driving.
and let's take our time. Everybody needs a break right sometimes.
Hi. So I am at one of the beautiful places in Bihar. Yes, this is Bihar. Actually, people have lot of misconception about the places, that it is poor and it has no resources. But Bihar is a wonderful tourist place. This is Telharkund, situated in Kaimur, around 40 kilometers from Bhabua, and it can be a wonderful tourist destination. You can hear the sound of this waterfall. If this waterfall would have been in world somewhere else, the government would have maintained wonderfully. We really need such tourist attractions. Beautiful. This is a beautiful destination, you can see, and I don't know why the government has not managed it for the tourists. It requires the management and to invite tourists from all over the world. If this tourist attraction is somewhere in some other state or country, that would bring a lot of tourists and attention. Why this happens with Bihar? We are really rich. Rich in these beautiful places. Bihar is a wonderful tourist destination. Not only religious tourism, but wonderful sightseeing and visiting. I am really overwhelmed to express my happiness that how this beautiful waterfall is. As nature. See the gift of nature. It's wonderful, miraculous. And it is just, you can say, the gift of God. In the lap of nature. Wonderful place, Telhar Waterfall in the district of Kaimur. Do visit. Wonderful place. Have some picnic out here. Cook some dishes here itself. Enjoy it.
Morning laying up. It's sleeping on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call. And if we want a sunray, you know we can pull it from the window.
It's beautiful. What a gift of nature. Water falling from 100 meters and making a foam. Beautiful.
See the another one.
Superb. Wow. You know, you have never visited a Bihar like this. So beautiful.
Wow, amazing, beautiful. Enjoy this picturesque view of nature. I invite you all to be the part of this fun scenery. Do explore such beautiful places in Bihar, and I'm proud to be Bihari. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.